Okay, today we're talking about solar and battery powered lights. So if you would like to install an outdoor light at a location that does not have power available, here's an option for you. This particular motion activated light fixture takes 4 D batteries, comes with the mounting bracket. Pretty easy. Simply pop the batteries in, screw the cover back on, and the LED lights themselves are adjustable as far as the angle. You can angle them up and down, left and right.
Woo!
You can buy these at your local big box store, home center, etc., or online. There's a mounting bracket. You simply drive 2 screws into a wood post, a tree, etc. There's the controls. You can see it's nice and bright.
Wow.
Made by Good Earth. Here's another option. This has a solar panel that charges lithium-ion batteries inside the fixture. It comes with the lithium-ion batteries already installed in the fixture.
Woo!
A little more expensive. Also LEDs. So here's this cool mounting bracket. It's designed to mount to a corner. Here's a light fixture itself. The LEDs are also adjustable. There's a motion sensor, so you can aim those lights where you want them. There's your switches to adjust the sensitivity, the length of time the light is on, etc. There's your mounting hardware. Here's your solar panel. Comes with an adjustable mounting bracket. Nice long length of wire that plugs into the light fixture. Right there. Manufacturer, these, I want to tell you about these band clamps. That also makes it nice to mount to a tree or a wooden post, telephone pole, etc. So here it is installed on a tree at one location. Works great. So yeah, that corner bracket you can see is awesome. Great for larger trees or on a corner of a building. Here's another option. You can see it's mounted with the large metal band clamps that came with it. This is a skinnier tree. And lastly, here's that battery-powered one. I screwed it to a little wood board and then screwed the little wood board to the tree with exterior deck screws. Again, lots of different mounting options here. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.